Why does he do this? Why does he do this? It's gonna be so long. All right. Hey guys, it's been a long time since I've been on here. Maybe like what, 2 days? Anyway, thanks for you all for watching. I really appreciate it. And yeah, it's like just this journey of K-pop music videos. Anyway, so I want to thank you guys, all 510 of you, I think. All 510 plus of you. Thank you for subscribing, and I just want to say thanks, okay? Thank you all for just commenting and just liking and just watching my reactions, you know? So without further ado, I guess you guys read the title already, but I'm gonna be reacting to EXO's live performance of White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love, because I've seen a lot of people comment that. So me being like my thank you 500 subscribers, I'm gonna react to a longer video of EXO. So this is for you guys, okay? And this is for me too, you know? EXO, my boys. It's been so long. Let's get into it, all right? I'm on the right website. I'm on the right website. All right. Okay, let's get into it. All right. All right, okay. Sorry, I might be a little like dirty. I was playing tennis this morning. You guys should try it. EXO, White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love. These are all like B tracks, right? I think so, right? Because I haven't seen like music videos for it. All right, you guys wanted it. Here I go. EXO. Yo. Wow, their outfits all black. Yo. Oh wait. How many people are? How many members are in this one? My boy. Oh, yo, look at him. Yo. Woo! Whoa, I like his hair. Shoeman. Yo, I love Chen's voice. Oh God. Yo. It's been a while. Yo, it's only been a minute too. Yo, if any of you watching right now went to this concert, yo, lucky. That's Suho, right? Whoa! Yo! It's raining? Are they getting wet? I'm gonna keep this PG. Wow. Yo! Yo, Baekhyun is like a bias record too. Oh my god. Oh my, look at his. Yo, they're all bias records. Yo! I haven't seen this second in a while. Yay! Yo, his makeup is good too. Whoa. Yo, this is so like intimate. Like, look at their looks. Oh my gosh, yo. Yo, I'd be dead, like, being front row like this. He just, oh my gosh! He did that. They're going right at it. This is thunder. All right. Ah! Oh, they're so cute. What the heck? Why did you do this? Woo! You saw that real quick? That quick change of expression. My boy. Yo, I can't with Kai. Wow! Wow, look at his makeup, look at his eyes, look at his hair. Yo. Oh my gosh, Kai. Wait. Oh my gosh. There's so much fan service right now. Yo, Kai, come on. Yo, Kai, come on. Oh my gosh. I just realized this video is like really clear. Yo, he's glistening. Ooh, the rap line. Yo, he's looking good. Oh my gosh. Why does he do this? Why does he do this? Why? 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 Oh my boy, yo! Oh my gosh! Yo, Baekhyun though. Baekhyun. Yo, why is Kai looking all snack worthy? Oh, what? Yo, my gosh, guys. Hey. 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 Wow, look. Yo, man. Okay, I can't. Why is his like outfit so different than everyone else's? Yeah. That's it right there. That's it right there. That's it right there. You see that? You see that? That's it right there. Woo. Wow, I'm getting attacked multiple times. Oh my gosh, Kai! Woo! You gotta be kidding me. Yo. I can't with Kai. Yo, that one, what was that? Playboy? Oh, is this Artificial Love? Yep. Yeah, but Canes. Uh-oh, this is not good. This is not good for your health. Not good for my health, not good for you. Not for good for... Why are there so many crotch grabs? Sehun looking good too. Yo, I just realized their like songs other than their music videos are really good too. Yeah, that's cute. No words. No words. Uh-oh. This is so unhealthy. Why is he is shining like a rare shiny Pokemon? Oh my gosh. Artificial. Yeah, we're killing it with the cane game. Hey. Hey. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Stop! Oh my gosh. Oh, hey, 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 hey. Yo, woo. Hey. Oh! Yeah, that smile. Yo, Kai, man, you gotta calm down. Artificial. Oh man, Schumann with those eyes. Hey! 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 Artificial. Woo! What is going on? Oh my gosh. What is going on? I don't know what it is, but I like it. Ooh. I can't with him, man. Oh, what? That was it? Oh, no. That was it. Oh, man. That was good. That was real good. Well, that was a good performance. Yo, what was... I liked all the songs. I liked... Artificial was good. PLAYBOY was good. Thunder was... They're all... I didn't really... I was like still trying to get into the performance mode kind of thing with white noise. But then when Thunder started playing and PLAYBOY, I was like, man, that was such a good... performance live, wow. You guys weren't kidding to watch this one. It's really good. It's really good. Thanks for everything. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what else, and I hope to see you guys in my next videos, comment section, whatever we say. You know, let's just keep going with this. You know, EXO, XOLs, you guys are the best. Wanted to say thanks to you guys, and yeah. All right, I'll talk to you guys next time. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. Also follow me on Twitter and Snapchat. I'm gonna put it right here somewhere. So yeah, you guys should do that. Also, yeah, subscribe, hit the bell, whatever, you know, do you. I'm gonna just keep watching EXO. Hope you guys enjoyed. I keep repeating every single thing I say, so I'll just end it right here. And let me know who's your bias in the comments, and we'll talk about them. Okay, all right, peace.